visual representation. Thank you. The dola is a two-faced drum from India. The faces are tuned at a perfect fourth or fifth apart. The dola is played by placing one hand on each face.
This is the getabera. The getabera is another percussion instrument from Sri Lanka. An important feature of this instrument is that one side is played with the hand, while the other side is played with the stick. The faces are made from cattle skin. Thank you.
Here is the tabla. The tabla is a percussion instrument from India. It is used for traditional, classical, popular and folk music. It sits on the floor while it is being played. The tabla has black patches at the center of the two drum faces and it is played with the hands. Thank you.
Here we have the tamatama. The tamatama is very similar to the tabla but has no black patch on the drums. The drums faces are made with monkey skin and they are played with by a stick. The tamatama is carried around the waist while it is being played. The gudu gudu is another bell drum from the Yoruba tribe of Western Nigeria. Like the tabla, the gudu gudu has a black patch on each face of the drum to reduce the vibration and increase the tonality. It is carried around in the air while it is being played. Thank you. Let us listen to some of these musical instruments we have been talking about.
This is the sitar. The sitar is a string instrument from India. It can have between 18 to 21 strings. Unlike the Ragnahata, the strings of the sitar are plucked, not bowed, nor strummed. This is the Ragnahata. Ragnahata is an ancient bowed instrument from Sri Lanka. It is suggested as the ancestor of a violin. It has two primary strings and is played with a bow.
This is a goje. The goje is a two-string fiddle from northern Nigeria. A snake skin or a lizard skin is used to cover the god bone and a horsehair string is suspended on a bridge. The goje is played facing the player.
Produced from bamboo. Unlike the recorder, the bansuri has 6 holes in front and no hole at the back for the thumb to cover it.
Varano is another aerophone from Sri Lanka. It's made out of steel and wood like the bansuri. The Varano has 6 holes at the front part of the instrument. The Odra is from the Igbo tribe of Nigeria. It has holes at the side, played with the thumbs and the index fingers of both hands. The Odra is played by blowing air over the mouthpiece area of the instrument.
Thank you for watching this presentation. I hope you learned a thing or two